Hey there, are you a business owner struggling to make an impact online? Are you tired of blending into the digital noise? We get it. Building a powerful online brand is harder than ever. With so much competition, standing out and attracting your ideal customer can feel like a pipe dream. That's where we come in. Meet JavaLogix, your ultimate partner in creating a data-driven digital presence that resonates. We're not just marketers. We're storytellers, designers, data analysts, and strategists, all rolled into one. Here's what we can do for you. Branding and logo design. Our team offers complete branding and services packages to help you plan and execute your brand strategy. Web design. Look no further. We are a top-rated web design agency offering web design, local SEO, paid ads, social media marketing, and so much more to help your business succeed. Online reputation management services. Do you want to turn unhappy customers into satisfied ones and encourage happy customers to share their positive experiences online? We got you. Video marketing services. We showcase your brand using engaging, rich media like videos and high-resolution graphics, so you dominate your competitors. We offer a variety of packages to help you get your message across quickly and effectively.
We've helped hundreds of customers like you build their brands online.
Ready to level up your online brand? Don't wait. Right now, we're taking on a few new customers before we have to close the doors again to give our team the time and resources to deliver on our promises. Don't let your business be another needle in the digital haystack. Choose JavaLogix, and let's build something unforgettable together.